Hello, welcome to Gladly Tech YouTube channel. It is being said that if you like something, you would like to know about the benefits of that thing. So today we're talking about the benefits of joining fan club on Poppo Live. So guys, if you are new to this channel, do not forget to hit the notification bell, subscribe to this channel in order to get helpful tips like this anytime I upload a video. So the benefits of joining fan clubs are very essential. The first one is to build a strong and stronger relationship with the host. It creates a relationship with you and the host and makes the relationship more stronger. The next one is to build a closer relationship with the host. So it's not just that your relationship becomes stronger and stronger, it also makes you and the host to have a close relationship. It becomes more closer that he or she will know you more. The third reason is that when you are more active in fan club, you are going to get fan badges. So there are badges that goes with being active on fan club in anybody's party, in anybody's whole life. So if you are active in as a fan club member, you actually get a badge for being active. The next thing is that you'll be able to send exclusive gift to this host. Since you are a member of fan club, you will be able to send exclusive gift to the host of the fan club. In my next video, I would like to talk about the demerits of fan club, because anything that has benefits will always have a demerit. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.